What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is down 0.12%, basically a flat day on Dow Jones. Nasdaq up 0.79% thanks to Nvidia stock. S&P up 0.36%. Russell 2000 taking a beating, down 0.21%. And here in this groups, we got a risk on move here in the market. On top, we got technology, communication services, healthcare, industrials. On bottom, utilities, energy, real estate, consumer defensive, basic materials, and also financial. And here in the stock market map, we got Tesla down close to 2% because they're doing that discount again in China. So that is why Tesla is down today. It was down even more, over 3%. Now, this is the only trade that I took early in the morning and selling out for a nice profit at 240. The calls went in the money, and you can go and check out that trade on X/Twitter. I did post that winning trade on my X account. Now, Amazon also up 0.91%, Meta up close to 1%, Google also up close to 1%. And look at right here, guys, Nvidia and Morgan Stanley once again pumping this stock up 6.5% from the bottom. And I just didn't get in because Nvidia, we got this gap down at 395, also a strong support at 400, just missed by $3. And this thing from bottom went up over $33 in one day. And that is why we're seeing a lot of these other chip makers up on the day. AMU up close to 6%. We got AMD up again. And then we got Microsoft also up on the day, 0.5%. And Apple also up 0.5%. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. On SPY, we got some positive signals for tomorrow, guys. We got about 20 minutes left here in the trading session, and if you look at it, low that we got on SPY today, we did not take out the low from Friday. That was 443 and some change, and today 444.38, and now it's trading above blue line 5 SMA 446.62. So that's gonna be a key level to watch into closing 446.62. Above that, we could see a move all the way up to 450 and possibly up to even white line 20 SMA 451.61, and then the gap above 455.49. Now, if this is the bottom right here, SPY needs to hold blue line 5 SMA 446.63, because if that gives up and SPY comes down and takes out 443. Now, if you look at my screen, multiple times getting rejected right here, 443. And now, that level holding as a support. We also have red line 50 SMA moved up, sitting at 443. So this is going to be key level to watch, 443. Below 443, you should be completely risk off on SPY. And we're going to see continuation to the downside all the way down to possibly 430. Now, SPY can hold above blue line 5 SMA right here. Then you are going to see a quick trip up to 450, and then white line 20 SMA 451.61, and then the gap above 455.49. So on triple Q also, this thing is up almost 1% on the day and getting a massive bounce because of Nvidia stock. Now, if you look at my screen, it's finding some strong resistance right here around 369 because we got red line and also blue line 5 SMA sitting right here, kind of stacked up right here. Both of these moving averages right here sitting around 368 to 369. So if that levels actually holds and breaks, then definitely we're going to see more upside, possibly up to 372. And that is the level that I'm watching on triple Q above 372, guys. I mean, look at this. how many times 372 was holding last week and then finally gave up that level and came all the way down to 364. So a triple Q can get above 372, more upside, possibly up to 376, 380, and then the gap above 380.69. Below 369 to 368, watch out for the support 366, and then lower Bollinger Band down here 364.39. And so far, if you look at my screen, Friday and today holding lower Bollinger Band as a support, and so far that support is holding. And if that gives up somehow tomorrow or Wednesday, then watch out for a move down to 360. On DIA, absolutely flat day, and this is nothing but a bullish consolidation on DIA for the next leg up, and that could be 360. Now if you look at my screen, 350, this support was holding last whole week, and so far now it's kind of respecting and kind of holding around 352, and there is this white line 20 SMA, and so far today guys, DIA trading between 352 and 353, not really going anywhere. So DIA gets down to 350, that would be a strong support to watch right here. Also, we got this gap, did not get closed for just 1 penny, so we still have this gap down here just under 350, and that should be a strong support, because if you look at my screen, lower Bollinger Band moving up, now it's at 349.45. Now DIA can hold and break right here around 352 to 353, then watch out for the next leg up all the way up to 360 plus. On IWM, it's also down on the day, 0.26%, so kind of a flat day on IWM, but it wasn't looking too hot this morning. I mean, look at this drop down to the next support, 188, and why we saw that bounce on IWM from 188. There is a strong support, and also if you look at my screen, it was actually trading under lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting close to 190. So we got that retracement back up to this lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart, and so far 190 holding, looks like it's going to hold until closing. So 190 holds, you want to see IWM actually breaking above right here 191.38, blue line 5 SMA, and only if that happens, a quick trip all the way up to 194.53, that is possible on IWM. On VIX, it was all over the place, up to 16, down to 15, or actually under 15, and now trading at 15, up slightly on the day. Now if we look at my screen, once again it's trading above 15, so you got to be careful right here. Above 15, this thing can move back up to the upside, and in that case watch out for a move all the way up to $17 and then 18. Below 15, watch out for the support down here, and that is around 14.67, and just below that VIX could be coming down to make a new 52-week low, and that would be around $12.29. So far this support down here that is holding 14.67, and also now it's holding $15, so you want to watch this support 15. Above that, yes, we could see another spike back up to 17 to 18 on VIX. And that's all I have for you guys in this video.